Tired of juggling Basecamp projects and constant Slack notifications in separate tabs, feeling like you're missing vital updates in the chaos? Well, get ready to streamline your workflow, because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you how to integrate Basecamp and Slack for seamless communication. First, open up the Basecamp project you want to connect to Slack now. Look for the Settings menu. It's usually represented by 3 dots or a gear icon, typically located in the upper right-hand corner of your project screen. Click on that. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down until you find Integrations. Click on Integrations. This page lists all the integrations available for Basecamp. Find Slack in the list. It's usually displayed prominently with the Slack logo. Click on the Slack option. You'll be taken to a page that explains the benefits of connecting Basecamp to Slack. Look for a button that says something like Add to Slack or Connect to Slack. Click on that button. You'll be redirected to Slack, where you'll be asked to authorize Basecamp. To access your Slack workspace, select the correct Slack workspace from the drop-down menu. If necessary, carefully review the permissions Basecamp is requesting. If you're comfortable with them, click the Authorize button. Once authorized, you'll be redirected back to Basecamp. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the integration was successful. Now, configure the specific types of Basecamp notifications you want to send to Slack, like new to-dos or discussions. And that's it. Now, whenever there's activity in your connected Basecamp project, you'll receive notifications directly in your chosen Slack channel, keeping everyone on the same page. Enjoy.